Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter or the pollen filter on Volvo XC90. The cabin filter on this car is located behind the glove box. We don't need to remove the glove box, we need only to remove this plastic cover down up there. It's held by those two bolts. We'll remove the two bolts and then we take out the plastic cover, and then we'll have access to the cabin filter. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we have access to the cabin filter. This is the cabin filter housing up there in white, and this black thing on the bottom is the cabin filter cover. That we need to remove that cover. It's held by 4 bolts, 2 on the front and 2 on the rear. We'll remove those bolts and take out the cabin filter cover, and then we can take out the cabin filter and replace it. Now we're going to pull out the cabin filter cover, and that's the cabin filter right there that we're going to take out and replace. This is the cabin filter out. Now I'll show you the part number for it and also the airflow. You saw how the airflow is. Now we're going to put on the new air filter and put it with the right airflow into the cabin filter housing, and then we're going to put on the cover and tighten the bolts. And that's how you replace the cabin filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.